Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two popular cryptocurrency platforms, Binance and Gemini. Whether you're just starting out or already experienced, this video will help you decide which platform is the better fit for your crypto journey. Overview and background. Binance, founded in 2017, Binance is one of the largest global cryptocurrency exchanges, offering an extensive range of cryptocurrencies and services. Gemini, founded in 2014 by the Winklevoss twins, Gemini is a United States-based exchange known for its strict regulatory compliance and strong security measures. Security. Binance, while Binance has had security incidents in the past, it has implemented a secure asset fund for users to protect users in case of a breach. Gemini emphasizes security and regulatory compliance, offering insurance on funds stored in hot wallets and adhering to strict U.S. regulations. Cryptocurrencies offered. Binance supports over 350 plus cryptocurrencies, including a wide range of altcoins and unique trading pairs. Gemini offers a more curated selection of around 100 plus cryptocurrencies, focusing primarily on high market cap and reliable assets. User experience. Binance, the Binance platform is feature-rich but can be overwhelming for beginners. It caters more to advanced users with tools for futures trading, charting, and more. Gemini offers a clean and simple interface, designed to be more user-friendly for beginners or those seeking a streamlined trading experience. Availability and jurisdiction. Binance, globally available but operates with limitations in the United States due to regulatory restrictions. Gemini fully operates in the U.S., adhering to local regulatory requirements, making it a preferred choice for U.S. users who prioritize compliance. Mobile app experience. Binance, the Binance mobile app is comprehensive and packed with features, though its complexity may make it harder for beginners to navigate initially. Gemini's mobile app is highly rated for its simplicity, security, and ease of use. Staking and earning. Binance, through Binance Earn, users have various options to stake cryptocurrencies and earn interest, with flexible and locked savings options providing attractive yields. Gemini offers Gemini Earn, where users can lend their crypto to earn interest, but the rates are often lower than Binance's staking and earning programs. Customer support. Binance's customer support has improved but still struggles with response times for complex issues due to the sheer size of the platform. Gemini is known for better customer service, with fast response times via email and chat. Conclusion. Both Binance and Gemini offer great services, but the choice depends on what you're looking for. If you value variety and advanced trading features, Binance may be the better option. But if you prioritize security, compliance, and ease of use, Gemini could be the right choice for you. Happy trading, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.